In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install WordPress on Cloudways. If you've ever felt intimidated by cloud hosting because it sounds too technical, the good news is that Cloudways makes the process much easier. Instead of manually configuring a server, setting up databases, and handling everything through command lines, you can launch a managed WordPress installation through a guided interface. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to get your site deployed, connect your domain, and enable SSL so your website is secure and ready to use. To begin, open your browser and go to the Cloudways platform. Then sign in to your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, head to the servers area from the top navigation and choose the option to launch a new server. This is where the setup process starts. Next, look for the application selection menu and choose the WordPress version that fits your needs. You might see options for standard WordPress, WordPress multi-site, or a WooCommerce ready version if you plan to run an online store. After that, enter a name for the application, a name for the server, and a project name. Keeping these labels clear will help you stay organized, especially if you manage multiple websites. With the application selected, it's time to choose your cloud provider. Cloudways supports providers like DigitalOcean, Vultr, and AWS. Then use the sizing slider to choose your server resources. For many production websites, starting with at least 2 GB of RAM is a practical choice for smoother performance. After that, select the data center location closest to your main audience, since a nearby region can improve loading speed. When everything looks right, click Launch Now. Cloudways will provision the server, prepare the database, and install WordPress automatically. This usually takes several minutes, so give it a little time. Once the server is active, go to the Applications section and open your new WordPress app. In Access Details, copy the public IP address. Then, in your domain registrar's DNS settings, point your main A record to that IP address. After that, return to Cloudways, open Domain Management, add your custom domain, save it, and set it as the primary domain so the application responds correctly. Now open the SSL certificate section. Leave the provider set to Let's Encrypt, then enter your email address and your domain name, and click Install Certificate. This activates HTTPS and secures your site traffic. Finally, go back to Access Details and review everything. Open your domain in a private browser window. Confirm that the site loads properly. Check for the secure padlock in the address bar and make sure your WordPress admin login works. And that's it. Your WordPress site is now installed on Cloudways, connected to your domain, and protected with SSL. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.